The wide range of fencing available and the enormous perimeter distances that are covered has always made it difficult to enhance security fencing by the addition of intruder detection systems. Many solutions have sought to apply all manner of so-called advanced technology. But the answer is, in fact, very simple. The secret is the sensor. And GeoQuip has specifically designed and developed an outstanding system of perimeter fence protection, the Defensor Alpha. The heart of the Defensor system is the Alpha sensor. The sensor is a very simple construction, with only 2 detector wires in association with 2 magnets. The key is that the 2 wires are free to move easily and respond to activity on the fence. And the twist that is built into the Alpha sensor means that both the vertical and horizontal ranges of movement are easily detected. This movement induces a current to produce a signal which can be processed by one of a range of analyzers. So when the Defensor Alpha is attached to a fence line at the appropriate height to cover the standard height of fence, adjusted to ground changes, or double layered for larger fences, and configured into zones, the sensor is set up to report activity at the fence on a simple visual device, with the additional security of excellent quality audio reporting. Comparison of the audio signal from Defensor and one of its competitors shows some similarity, as the large-scale impacts on the fence are clearly indicated on both. But closer examination shows that the smaller impacts, such as this one, are much more clearly distinguished by Defensor. Further examination of what might be crucial micro-impacts reveals that with Defensor, these are quite clearly seen and, of course, heard. But with the competitor system, the micro-impacts are lost within the heavy background noise. The simple, clear signals achieved by Defensor maintain this greater range of coverage in sharp contrast to many other systems, which attempt to replicate the results achieved by Defensor by intensifying the signal, and only succeed in intensifying the all-embracing background noise. GeoQuip has a wide range of alarm annunciator equipment to cater for a range of situations from 2-zone compounds to a 600-zone military complex. The remote analysis capabilities of Defensor means that the user can choose whether to process the signals actually at the perimeter or in the secure environment of the control room, away from the fence, whether that distance be a few feet or many miles. In this example, on a high-security site, the first level of response is a visual LED bar display that illuminates according to the level of detection, indicating to the guard that something abnormal is taking place. As this pre-alarm is indicated on an individual zone of the system, comparisons can be made with other zones. If the level of signal rises to 30% of system range, the audio signal from the zone is automatically enabled, and the guard can now listen to the event and use his experience and training to judge an appropriate response. If a level of 60% is reached, the system will assume a full alarm state that requires acknowledgement from the guard. Defensor is therefore designed to work within a security system, providing increasing levels of alarm and information before eventually demanding a response from the guard.
Control to Whiskey Sierra 4 and Whiskey Sierra 5.
Whiskey 4.
Fence activation, east fence, zone 4 over.
This incremental process increases the available level of security and helps to reduce the number of false alarms. But as influential is the high-quality audio signal that allows a guard to know what is happening at the fence. However, if they cannot detect a signal, they cannot react. And it is the unique qualities of Defensor that permit the highest level of detection. The secret really is the sensor and the quality of response it can provide even on the most difficult fences. And because Defensor utilizes uncomplicated electronics, there are the consequent benefits of simple setup and efficient running. minimal training requirements, and fewer opportunities for breakdown, malfunctions, and of course, false alarms. And these qualities are most significant when considering which system to use in what might be extremely remote and hostile locations.